How to report someone on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then report someone on TikTok. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. It is very easy to report someone on TikTok if you think that they have violated the TikTok's community guidelines. First of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store and in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the TikTok application, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, well, you can see that this is how it is actually going to look like. Let's say that you want to report a specific profile. Well, it's very easy to do that. So as I said earlier, first just tap on the profile name and then come to their particular profile feed over here. Once you come to the profile page, you can actually report two things. So in order to report it, just tap on the three dots which you see on the very top right hand side of the screen. As soon as you do that, you have options such as to report over here at the bottom left. So tap on it. Once you tap on the report option, you basically have two options again. So either you want to report the account itself or only report the content of that account. So in order to do that, I'll just select the account, let's say for example. Now right over here, you can see some other options. So you can see posting inappropriate content or pretending to be someone, inappropriate profile info, and so on. However, you can just go ahead and select any of these reasons as to why you're trying to report it. Now keep in mind that it also depends on what you're trying to report about. So just go ahead and select any of the reasons over here. Once you do that, just tap on the submit button at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on the submit button, TikTok will receive your report, and right over here it says under review. And if many people actually report it, it is most likely that their account is going to get banned. And hopefully this video helped answer the question as to how you can report someone on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.